Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your pricing strategy with Price Intelligently easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your pricing strategy using Price Intelligently, start by accessing their website and signing up for an account. After signing up, log into your dashboard to explore the available features. Gather your existing pricing data and understand your current pricing models. Navigate to the Data Imports section of the dashboard to upload your existing pricing data. Ensure the data format matches Price Intelligently's requirements for seamless integration. Once your data is uploaded, select the Market Research tool to analyze competitor pricing. Review the insights provided on competitor pricing and market trends. Next, use the value-based pricing feature to analyze how much value your customers perceive your product to have. Conduct customer interviews or surveys to gather feedback on the perceived value of your offering. Compile the data from these interviews to gain deeper insights into customer preferences. Using this information, begin crafting a new pricing structure that aligns with perceived value. Explore different pricing models such as tiered pricing or subscription-based pricing for flexibility. Test the updated pricing model through A/B testing with your target audience. Monitor customer response and sales performance closely during this testing phase. Evaluate the results to determine which pricing option resonates best with your customers. Finally, refine your pricing strategy based on the insights gained from the tests and prepare for the launch. Keep monitoring the market and customer feedback regularly to ensure your pricing stays competitive and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.